Healthcare professionals predict that heart disease will be the #1 cause of death worldwide by 2020. All the more reason a major research breakthrough in the U.S. state of Washington is making global headlines. Researchers at the University of Washington have successfully restored damaged heart muscle in monkeys by using heart cells created from human embryonic stem cells. CCTV's Chris Casquejo has the details.
A monitor shows beating heart tissue created from human embryonic stem cells inside this University of Washington lab. A small window into the medical research milestone that came when researchers here induced mild heart attacks in pigtail macaque monkeys, then later injected them with heart muscle cells created from the stem cells. A few weeks later,
we found that these cells grew into human heart muscle. They self-organized. They grew in their own blood supply, and then they began to beat in synchrony with the heart following its natural pacemaker.
Within 3 months, the cells were fully integrated into the monkey hearts, organs that closely resemble those of humans.
So I think if we can do something like this in a monkey, we can do it in a human being.
The 1 billion heart muscle cells derived from human stem cells the Seattle researchers injected into each monkey is 10 times the number of such cells researchers have ever been able to generate before. While researchers here at the Murray Lab have made a significant breakthrough, they need to overcome a few challenges before their work can be applied to human heart disease. The monkeys developed irregular heartbeats for 2 to 3 weeks after the stem cell injections, and researchers have to make sure human immune systems won't reject the heart tissue. Both big factors as to why human clinical trials are still about 4 years away, but cardiologists are closely watching the developments at UW.
Using embryonic stem cells may be limited just to the very, very sick patients, but for that patient population, it may potentially be a life-saving treatment.
But not soon enough for lead researcher, Dr. Charles Murray. He lost his mother to heart disease in April, just before his team's research was published.
My mom was my inspiration for doing this kind of work, and she was the sort of patient we would like to have been able to help.
A personal quest now offering potential rays of hope for millions of others. Chris Casquejo, CCTV, Seattle.